a regular part of the whole process, taking these pots, emptying them out, so because we want to plant new ones. So here is the residue from the old ones. You take that and dump that into the bottom of these pots, so that they eventually will take their own time to get converted into compost. This is the soil that we got from this. To refresh it, we've added some vermicompost from the sack, and we're going to air it out also a bit and just break up the lumps and all. What that does is make sure that the potting mix has a lot of air inside it, at least for some time. That ensures that the roots get enough air when they have to do their. This helps the plant grow better. So we're going to do this for a large number of pots. We got these number of pots. At count what I have: 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we have a number of new plants that we have to pot. So I think this is good.